How to remove pubic hair permanently naturally in 5 minutes. No one likes to have unwanted hair on different parts of the body, as these do not look good. But it is a usual thing, and almost all of you have to face this beauty issue. Your pubic area is hidden, but hair on this body part are irritating and cause itching as well. For getting rid of this unwanted hair, women use hair removing creams, and also wax is used. Hair removing creams make this sensitive body part dark, and waxing is a painful procedure. Here, I have the best remedies to remove pubic hair permanently naturally in 5 minutes only for you. These remedies not only help to remove unwanted pubic hair but also, these remedies aid in lightening your complexion. Remedies to get rid of pubic hair naturally. Remedy 1, baking soda for hair removal. Ingredients: baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Warm water, 200 milliliters. Procedure: in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. After this, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Next, mix these ingredients well. Home remedy to remove pubic hair permanently naturally is ready for use now. How to use: dip a cotton ball in this mixture and apply the mixture on unwanted hair. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. After this, apply a good moisturizer on your skin. Use the remedy 3 times in a week. The remedy also prevents the growth of pubic hair. You can also use the remedy on your lip area.